everybody, Collier Swecker in Birmingham, Alabama. Wanted to touch base with everybody about if you're an independent contractor and like myself, if you get a 1099 or you work for yourself, you may be a lawyer, you may be any kind of professional, you may be a painter, plumber, whatever, but you work for yourself and you're going to apply for a mortgage loan and you say, you know, you make a ton of money. But a few things you need to keep in mind and that we're really seeing as these banks have really tightened how they view that kind of employment. You need to maintain awesome records and be able to justify everything on your tax return for a bank. The other thing is length of time when you're applying for a mortgage is very important as an independent contractor. They want to see that you've been in this business for long, because everybody, in their mind, everybody can be lucky on occasion. You can have a few good years, but they need to see that it's consistent. The other thing is, or where we see the most problem, I should say, is when a spouse does not work. With the spouse does not have either a job or does not have a W-2 income, which can greatly, even if it's less, can actually push, add some extra income without the scrutiny that you're going to get as an independent contractor. So the other thing too is be able to show the frequency, be able to show that you have contracts that are renewing every year, so it shows that your business is consistent in what you do. The other aspect of being an independent contractor is to show that your liquidity is there, that you have funds outside of the business. And I think you're going to be held to a lot higher standard than you would if you were a W-2 employee. So make sure you can document those. If you don't have all that stuff in line, before you even bother going and applying for a mortgage, make sure that you have either talked to your realtor or a mortgage person in general about what's going on in the market with independent contractors getting approved loans, because that's always changing. It used to be easier. I mean, they had the no-doc loans. You go into a mortgage company and say, hey, I need a loan. How much do you make? I make $400,000. When you really make $35,000, they didn't care. And what ended up happening, though, the mortgage crisis came into effect, of course, and we are where we are in that respect. So anyway, just wanted to remind everybody, if you're an independent contractor, be real careful and maintain awesome records, and don't try to fudge the numbers, because through the process now, the bank and everybody involved will be able to tell, because it's not their first rodeo. So anyway, if you got questions, comments, or disagree with anything I've had to say, email me, Collier@megaagentrealestate.com. Have an awesome day.